hipon. Marga ng tao. Yan ang namimili naman ng mga gulay. Mga nakapagdalo. Kaya na ba? Gusto mo na?
Sabi niya, si Alex eh.
Ha?
Nagbibigay ulit siya ng free nasi buyer. Sabi niya, sige, wag mo na lang bayarin.
Yun na. Morning, te. Let's go. Mamaya tambay tayo dyan sa inyo. Dito ka lang dyan. Dito lang. Parang sa Thailand lang. Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka. Grabe naman yung bounce ng suspension na ito. Sobrang halog. Kano? Yan. Tayo pa tayo. Ano pag-gala-gala lang yung puso mo? Ate, kaya na kaya. Boss ha? Yeah. Mamaya pala. Yeah. Nice. Nice naman. Nice naman si Tao. Na. Nice naman. Na. Dito na. Ayan na. Nice naman. Nice naman talaga. Nice talaga naman. Nice. Ang galing talaga. Nice talaga. Inat mo naman po sa inat. Talaga naman ang pusa. What? Ulam mo. It's very delicious. Mimim cook ito.
Naturally, it was upon seeing this that the person recording had a...
Perdón, se está cayendo todo. Dos cuchillos amarillos iguales.
It was promptly after noticing the doll's arm lifting on its own that the girl pauses, turns around, and bolts out in a panic frenzy.
Magmerienda muna tayo dito ng
Maganda sa una.
Ulit na sila yung buwan na. Let's go. Nasa? Ano daw yun? Dati. Okay, na to. Nakasarap ba kasi, no?
Bago sila. Bago sila na peanut butter.
Pretend I'm the one dry. Pretend.
One, two.
Wait. Out.
Isog ka dito, isog.
What is so? So like that.
Don't scratch my bike, ah.
Okay.
Just,
Ow!
just stay your, ano.
How can?
Just stay your feet. This na lang, in this. Basta don't scratch it, ah. Don't scratch.
Test lang. Are we testing Tito King? Can we go back to Mimim?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Tito King, can we go back to Mimim?
Bye.
Because I don't want to leave them behind. Tito King, eh.
You want to go behind?
Yeah, I don't want to leave them behind.
They will, ano, they will follow us. Don't
How?
worry.
How? They'll grab.
Yes. They will, ano, they will book a grab. Car.
They will do their normal way.
Yes, like that.
Woo! Oh my god.
We're not leaving.
King, Tito King, there's a dog there. Good thing I'm wearing a helmet. Good thing I'm wearing a helmet.
Wow. Happy to your helmet.
Yeah? I'm having no OTIs now. It's a little bit because it's underneath. I still have OTIs because it's underneath me. It's underneath my neck. I feel weird. Oh, that's already safe. My t-shirt gets sick into chicken nuggets. Tito King, why when there's tiny space, you need to slow down? Why, Tito King? Why? Why? I'm allowed to drive a motorbike now. God's too much. God's too much. Ah! It makes me a little bit weird. Oh my goodness. Alright, watching it. Hey, wake up. Yay! Go on the side, go on the side. Yeah. Go on the
You see your helmet na?
yeah, go on the side, go on the side, go on the side. Don't crash. You're gonna crash. Ah! You scared me. I thought you were gonna crash. Oh,
I will not crash and you will drive it.
how is that possible? I think we might stop. We might want to stop. Right? Oh, my macaroons. They're built. Look, that's a cleaner. Look, they're cleaning the river. They're cleaning the river. See that, Tito King?
Yes. Oh, you're good. I said there's nothing. Oh, we're here na.
My foot is gonna scratch it. You did not even listen to that. But you did not even listen to that warning sign, the warning stick. You did not even listen to it. You cannot go to the warning stick. It's behind the ground. That's fast. That's really fast. Whoa! Really fast. That's crazy.
Oh, you sim na. Ano? You're the only one. Oh, enjoy the pool with yourself only. Oh. Go na, you sim na. That's okay. You will, ano, oh, later Sheena will get you na. Ha? mga bata ngayon, no? Bisa niya na, tara na. Sulitin niya na.
Uy,
Uy, lumusot pa nga.
uy, lusutan yan eh.
Oh, nilalamig ka na, Marco. You're cold? Not? Oh, you swim na. You swim. You move your body. You move your body. Solan nila. Oh, wala naman ah. Bisa mo, Kay. Bisa mo. Oh, takbo na dun. I-jump. Wow. Oh. Oh, slide, Sky. Ikaw na, Sky. Slide na. Oh, si Marco muna.
Going into balance. Oh, it's so slippery. Dad, it's slippery.
Because it's wet. Oh, ikaw naman.
Oh, na.
Ikaw na, Aki. Oh.
I told ya. Ha? Look, kalabati.
Oh, dandan.
No, Marla. No. No.
Oh.
Sabi daw niya pwede daw dun sa taas.
Ha?
Sabi daw niya pwede daw sa taas doon.
Ngayon, muna sa taas ngayon. Magbatuyo muna kayo. Akit tayo sa taas. Ano yan?
Daw to sabi mo, Marco.
Bakit? Why?
There's food.
You want food?
You want food? Yes or no? You guys don't want?
Oh, you open it. Oh, pag-isa kayo niyan, Kay.
Cheese? You got bread. Bread fun? Game bread. It's a sandwich. That na. I'll get it. He's stuck.
Oh,
Ay!
ay peanut.
Peanut butter.
Oh. Oh, kami Marco. You hold.
They don't need it. Pag ano, pag peanut butter, ubusin mo na agad. Tapos, tingnan mo yan, Orca. Wow!
Taas ba?
Nandun na yun, oh!
Mhm.
Ayun yung may aeroplano.
Oh.
Yay, go! Yuck! Disgusting! Nabubog na yung kami! Nakapunta ako! Yuck! Play!
Yan, diyan kayo. Makikita nyo na lahat yan, oh.
Sabi na aeroplano. Ayun yung dagat, oh. Dagat ba yun? Hindi yan dagat!
Dagat yan.
Ay,
Yan, oh. Daming ang barko, oh.
malapit lang sa glaso!
Lapit lang ba?
Gusto magsilim din, ah.
Ayun yung LRT, oh. Kita nyo ba? Diba? Oh, you can see the airplane clearly, oh, Marco. It's moving, oh, like a toys.
Oh, and I see toy figures down there. Look at the toy figures. Aeroplano ba yung commander? It's tiny toy. Parang tiny toy, oh. Look at the tiny toy figure. It's moving by itself.
Angas, no? Ayun, ah. Tignan nyo mga naglalaro, parang liliit lang, di ba? Ayun, oh.
The farther you are, the smaller it gets.
Yes.
Uy! Ano? Bakit?
Ayun, oh, lilipad na yung aeroplano. Let's go, let's go! Ah. Lalaro tayo na doon na ganyan ha.
Yan.
Oh, let's go. Dance muna ako.
Transition, no?
Yun ha.
Benta ni Chris Brown.
Sasayaw na lang ng ano.
Gagawin ko po.
Ayun, let's go. Tapon tuloy yung scramble, ano?
Yeah.
Up. Up.
Then,
Atid. Ayan, no? Oh, you try na.
This is scary.
Too scary. Prove to me that you're Spider-Man, ha?
Okay.
Okay. Be strong, ha? Be strong, ha? Be strong.
Spider-Man! Spider-Man! With the ever Spider-Man! I can go by myself.
No! You will hurt your knee. Oh. Okay, show me what did you... Oh, okay, show me.
I can do it.
King, mahulog yan.
Hey! Stop. Stop
stop?
it. Stop it.
Why?
Stop the video, please. I want to see it, Tito King.
Oh, what? Stop saying what?
Chicken nuggets.
Oh, let's eat na.
I've been talking in the moon.
Kumain na sila. Kain mo na dito. Kaya ni
I've
Mark.
been talking in
Burger.
the moon.
Tingnan mo kasi sila kanina.
Sino yan?
Tito King, your legs are so weak. You can't even jump. Are you looking at me?
Ah.
No, look at me. Look at your eye. Where's my leg?
Tingnan mo silang tatlo.
How do I get my legs? Smell you later!
Oh, fine. You want rich? I'm going to pipe my way these things over. Just posted on the sofa. Step number 1 of the Brick Journal. The find is cheapest fast.
Big bite. There's marshmallow inside. Yeah. If you bite big bite. It's yummy.
But he wants it.
No. She's playing.
Okay.
Sige na, Michael. Big bite. Look for the marshmallow inside.
Is this delicious? Oh, mas okay. May dragon. Galing eh, no? Ayun na. Yan.
Hindi kasi ganyan.
Ayan na. Putripan, ha? Yun. Isa lang yan, no? Kaya ko lang may pilipay na ngayon na gano'n lang. Ito pa na pagkawa. Dili ba na nalasan ng plano?
Yung ilalim ko.
Pag meron ka, nag-groceries na yun. Ano to, Puskal? Ah. Aha. Ito, chill lang si Taho. Ngayon lang ni Taho yung sunset, oh. Dito, ha. May kapit pa dito. Ayan, chill lang kami dito. Ano ba sa?